Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Ree. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe down below. Hit that like button, show me some love. You know why you here and I know why you here. If you are coming back to my channel and you already one of the girls, welcome back. Y'all, today I'm going to be doing a look and learn. I'm doing my client's makeup. And I just want to give you guys pointers and basically kind of explain some of the things that I'm doing as I go. I do want to do another video that's way more detailed, but for now I feel like I had this content, so I was like, why not just drop it? I hope you guys enjoy it, because I don't know if I'm gonna keep doing videos like this or not. So here I'm literally just filling in her eyebrows. I'm not using any particular pencil, y'all. I got that pencil from the hair store. It literally was like $1. Like, I don't even know. I don't know. I don't really care for like all that fancy stuff. I mean, maybe I'll try it one day and see what's the hype. But as of right now, I get a pretty good eyebrow with the cheap dollar store ones. Like, so for concealer, I use the LA Pro Color or Pro Girl. I don't know, remember the name of it, but y'all know what I'm talking about. The little tube concealer. I don't really use anything fancy for that either. Those are cheap. The only thing I hate about them is that they finish really fast. You have to know how much product you're gonna need. I'd rather put a little bit on my hand and then go back for more than put too much on my hand and have to waste it and throw it away. So when I'm doing eyebrows, one of my biggest pet peeves is making sure that they are literally perfect. Like, I don't know, I have OCD when it comes to eyebrows. I take my time, and that's what you really have to do. But you have to also remember that they're never going to be identical. You can only get them as close to perfect as you can. Like, I will literally sit there and beat myself up about the eyebrows not being perfect. Like, that's my favorite part. Well, that's one of my favorite parts. But yeah, just take your time, focus, and make sure you got a good brush that you're comfortable with. So I already went ahead and put her foundation on. I use a brush to get it on evenly, and then I go in with a beauty blender, the back end of it. Make sure it's wet, and like, make sure you squeeze out the water and keep wetting it. And then you're just gonna evenly put the foundation, like just blend it into the skin as best you can. Don't stress it, just trust the process. Right here, I'm putting the concealer under her eye. Y'all know the regular. And then, yeah, just kind of watch me work. It's not really much to explain here on this part. So I love that setting spray. It's from Morphe, and I believe it's like $12. Y'all, I signed up for a subscription and they kept sending me one every month. I didn't even know I signed up for the subscription. Y'all, I have like 5 of them in my trunk. So yes, this is my favorite one, and I'll be using it for a long time, okay? So my clients literally give me the hardest time when I'm doing this part, because they're always scared that I'm going to get in their eye or whatever. But you kind of just got to talk them through it, tell them to relax, and just blend it out as best that you can, literally. Because with this part always looks real crazy, but it's just because you didn't contour yet. You didn't do like the warming up of the face with the bronzer or anything. So you just have to literally trust the process when you get to this point. So I use the Sacha Buttercup to set my client's face depending on the skin tone. So I use this shade, I think it's banana, for all my dark clients, anybody my skin color or anybody kind of like her skin color. I ended up realizing that it was a little too yellow, and it like blended in a little bit too much with her foundation, or well, not her foundation but her concealer. So I did go in, y'all are gonna see me go in with a different one. I forgot the name of the other one that I'm gonna go in with, but that one is really good too. And it's more white, so it kind of brightens up. The goal is to brighten up under their eye. So this one was a little bit too yellow, so I did go in, I think this one is called Send One. I don't really remember the name of it, but it's a really good one as well. So you guys, let me know down below if you guys prefer to bake, like pound on a whole lot and then bake, or if you like to do what I'm doing, where I just put a little bit, kind of just to like make it matte and, you know, set it. Which one do you prefer? Personally, I prefer to do it this way. I feel like when you bake, it just dries out the makeup way too much. Like, So I honestly used to hate this step. I never used to do it, but I did see the importance of it, and I just like how sharp and nice it makes your contour look like once you go in and do it. It's not a step that I feel like you have to do, but it definitely makes a difference when you do it. And honestly, if you're gonna do this step, just make sure you blend it out really, really good. So now for my favorite part, y'all, I use the Black Radiance, like the darkest shade that they have. I do want to go, I got it from Walmart, by the way. I do want to go and buy another one for like my lighter clients. And the darkest shade works for, you know, anybody that's up to like my skin color, her skin color, and probably a few shades darker than me. For my darker clients, I have a Morphe contour stick, and that works really, really good. It is a cream contour stick though, so I use a different brush for it, and it takes a little bit longer to blend. So for the eyes, I'm using one of my Morphe palettes. I don't know the number of whatever one I'm using, but I know it has a lot of natural browns. It has like some bronze colors for the eyelids, but if I find out like which one I'm using when I go to my shop, I'll put it in the description below. So here I'm obviously just, you know, going over the eye. I like to pat a whole bunch on the lid first and then go in a circular motion. So honestly, y'all, I really hope by now y'all have already gave this video a thumbs up. I hope y'all already gave this video a thumbs up, because if you made it this far and you ain't showing me no love, y'all, I'm dropping gems, and I can't wait for you guys to see how it came out in the end. Literally like the bomb. Honestly, filming this video was actually kind of fun, but if it goes as good, like if I get enough love on this, I will definitely film more of these, or, you know, go kind of more in detail with them and actually teach y'all how to do makeup, especially like one-on-ones and stuff like that, doing your own makeup, like more detailed tips. Like this was kind of vague, I know, like kind of just quick. I just recorded it and decided, you know what, let me just post it. So yeah. So here I'm using the same Morphe palette, and I'm like using like one of the highlight colors, and I'm just highlighting under her eyebrow right where I did the arch. It just makes it look clean and sharp. It's honestly not something that you have to do. It's with your own discretion. If you don't want to do it, you don't have to. Like, makeup's still gonna come out bomb. So here I'm doing the blush. I like to do the blush kind of like high on the cheekbone. I don't make my clients smile. Like, that's an extra step that they don't have to do. So how I do it is I kind of like to put the blush right where you put the contour. So wherever you put your bronzer, kind of like layer it on top of that. And don't worry about, like, don't be afraid with the blush. It warms up the face. It makes it look not so dry. Like, you actually look alive instead of looking dead and cakey. So for your top liner, if you're doing a wing, you want to make sure that you're using a liquid liner. It makes it so much easier. Get a napkin, wrap it around your pinky, and put it up against her face or your client's face. That way you don't get to smudging her makeup. Even though her makeup should be set, you might have a client with oily skin, or you might have a client with just wet skin, or maybe the makeup isn't set in their skin yet, you know. So you want to have that so that your natural oils from your hand doesn't mess up her makeup. She didn't care for a wing, so that's why I didn't do the extra wing, y'all, okay? So this part right here, I messed up her face. I got, I think, glue or eyeliner or something right there by her lips, and I was so mad, y'all. So I'm gonna just cut this part. So yeah, I kind of like did my best trying to save it. If you look, you still can kind of see where it's like dark, but it really didn't look that bad in person. So yeah, I was so upset, y'all. Like, little stuff like that really upsets me. Like, I want your face to be perfect. Why is it not perfect? So after I do my lip liner, I do the brown lip liner, and I like to go over it with, I got this lipstick, this brown, I think it's called Chocolate by Revlon. It's a lipstick, and it's like a creamy kind of like, I don't know, it's like a creamy lipstick, and I use it because it makes it easier to blend when I put like the nude in the middle. Like, y'all gonna see when I do it. So if you guys want to stalk my actual Instagram, it's going to be your face underscore underscore, that's 2 underscores, my canvas. So your face underscore underscore my canvas, and it should be like a little purple profile. And yeah, girl, that's me. Make sure y'all follow, y'all like, show me some love. And if you're in the area, go ahead and book, baby. So I only use Revlon lip glosses. Well, I'm lying. I have a hair store. I have a few hair store lip glosses I'm gonna put y'all on. But for this look, I used a Revlon, I think it's called Sky Pink from Walmart. Girl, it's like $5. At the most, probably $8. But it's so good. So now for the final result. Drum roll, please. I hope y'all are ready for this. I hope y'all are ready. Y'all ain't ready. Y'all ain't ready yet. So I want to say thank you to the client that allowed me to record this video and was patient with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys gave me a huge thumbs up, multiple thumbs up. Blow this video up. This is my first time doing this. If you guys want more of this from me, let me know in the comments below, because I feel like I would enjoy it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you watch all the way to the end, I hope y'all is out here slaying faces and starting your own business and starting makeup, because this is free game. Okay, free game. Share it, let your friends know, let your homegirl who trying to do makeup learn from me, period. All right, bye y'all.